Welcome, and from me is a Google Pixel 4, and today I'll show you how to enable the developer options. So to get started, you're going to go into the settings, so open that, scroll all the way down till you find About Phone, and then again all the way down, and you should find Build Number. Now tap on that 7 times to enable the developer options. And before you can actually enable it, if you have some kind of passcode set, which as you see I do, I will need to confirm it. So there we go, and once you do, you'll get a message you are now a developer. And now if we go back, you should see developer options. I think it's going to be in system. Yep, there it is. So right here, and you get all the developer options right here. Now I would discourage you from randomly enabling different stuff if you're not sure what it does, because for instance OEM Unlocking will perform a reset of your device, so you will lose all the data on it. So yeah, there is some helpful one as well, for instance like right somewhere here, window animation, transition animation, and animation duration scale. So each one of them corresponds to different animation and like how fast they go, and you can mess around with that. So yeah, but yeah, this is basically how you would enable the developer options. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.